बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप व्यूअर्स? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। हमारी आज की वीडियो है दिव्यांका तृप्ति के हवाले से। दिव्यांका तृप्ति दहिया is born on 14 December 1984, is an Indian actress who primarily works in Hindi television, one of the highest paid television actresses in India. She is the recipient of several accolades, including 3 ITA awards, 9 Indian Telly Awards, and 7 Gold Awards. She has appeared in Forbes Indian Celebrity 100 list since 2017. Born 14 December 1984, भोपाल, मध्य प्रदेश, इंडिया। अल्लामा मेटर नेहरू इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ माउंटेनियरिंग। नोन फॉर ये है मोहब्बतें, मोहब्बत बनोगी बनूं मैं तेरी दुल्हन, नच बलिए 8, फियर फैक्टर, खतरों के खिलाड़ी 11, स्पाउस में विवेक दहिया, मैरिड 2016. She is known for playing the double role of Vidya Pratap Singh and Divya Shukla in ZTV बनो मैं तेरी दुल्हन and Dr. Ishita Bala in Star Plus. ये है मोहब्बतें. Both of these show earned her ITA award for Best Actress Popular and Best Actress Jury. In 2017, participated in the dance reality show Nach Baliye 8 and emerged as a winner. In 2021, she participated at Fear Factor Khatron Ke Khiladi 11 as a contestant, where she emerged as the runner-up. Early life and education. Tripti was born on 14 December 1984 in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. She was educated at Carmel Convent School, Bhopal. She then graduated from the Sarojini Naidu Government Girls PG College in Bhopal. She completed a mountaineering course from Nehru Institute of Mountaineering in Uttarkashi. Career. Tripti started her career as an anchor on All India Radio Bhopal. She participated in Pantene Z10 Queen in 2003 and won the title of Miss Beautiful Skin in 2004. Tripti participated in India Best Science Stars Ki Khoj and ended up being in top 8 from Bhopal zone. She again contested from the indoor zone, where she was declared the runner-up. This ensured her qualification for phase 2 of the contestant, where she lost eventually. In 2005, she was crowned Miss Bhopal. Tripti made her acting debut in a telefilm for Doordarshan and later presented a show called Akashvani. In 2005, she acted in Star One Ye Dil Chahe More as Payal, followed by Virasat as Melanie. In 2006, in August 2006, Tripti was roped in for ZTV drama fiction Banu Main Teri Dulhan by playing the dual roles of Vidya and Divya. She received recognition for the role of Vidya and her on-screen paired with Sharath Malhotra. She won many awards for her performance in the show, including the Indian Television Academy Award for Best Actress in Drama category and the Indian Telly Award for Fresh New Face. The show ran for 3 years and ended in 2009. She participated in ZTV Khazana as a contestant in 2006. In 2007, Tripti participated in Sahara One reality show Jhoom India as a contestant. In 2008, she participated in Imagine TV Nach Levi with Suroj Khan. In the same year, she presented 9X Jalwa 4-2 Ka 1. In 2009, Tripti featured in the second season of Star Plus horror thriller Phir Koi Hai. In 2010, she played the role of Reshmi Sharma, a housewife in sub-TV comedy drama Mrs. and Mr. Sharma Allahabad Wala. In 2011, Tripti participated in Imagine TV Zor Ka Jhatka Total Wipeout. She later played the lead in a sub-TV Jintu Jinky or एक बड़ी सी लव स्टोरी as Suman, followed by appearing in an episodic appearance in Adalat. In 2012, she acted in Star Plus Teri Meri Love Story as Nitika opposite Iqbal Khan. In 2013, she portrayed the character of Dr. Ishita Bala, an infertile dentist who marries a chief executive officer in order to provide maternal affection to his daughter in Ekta Kapoor's show Ye Hai Mohabbatein opposite Karan Patel. The show premiered in December 2013 and ranked successfully for 6 years until it ended at the end of 2019. Her portrayal of Ishita won her many awards and nominations, such as the Indian Telly Award for Best Actress in a Lead Role, the Lions Gold Award for Best Actress in Lead Role, and the Boro plus Gold Award for Best Actress in a Lead Role. In 2015, she received a Shane Gopal Award. In 2016, she received 2 awards at the Gold Awards for the Face of Year and Best Actress in a Lead Role. In 2016, Tripti participated in color TV sports reality show Box Cricket League 2. Later in the same year, she made a cameo appearance in Life Okay Bahu Hamari Rajnikant along with Anita Hassan Andani, Hina Khan and Karanveer Bohra. In 2017, she participated in Aj Baliye 8 with her husband Vivek Daya and emerged as the winner, while Mohit Sehgal, Sania Irani became finalist. In 2018, Tripti made an appearance on Kanpur Wale Khoranas. In early 2019, Tripti presented Star Plus singing reality show The Voice 3. In June 2019, Tripti made a cameo appearance in Kahan Hum Kahan Tum starring Deepika Kakkar. In 2020, she made an appearance on The Greedy Closet. In December 2020, Tripti presented Sony TV crime show Crime Patrol until March 2021. In 2021, she participated in Colors TV stunt-based reality show Fear Factor Khatron Ke Khiladi 11 as a contestant. Personal life. Tripti dated actor Sharad Malhotra, her co-actor from Banu Main Teri Dulhan, for 8 years, but they broke up in 2015. On 16 January 2016, she got engaged to her Ye Hai Mohabbatein co-actor Vivek Dahiya. The couple got married on 8 July 2016 in Bhopal. Media image. In 2014, Tripti was ranked 23 among the 35 hottest actresses in Indian television by mensxp.com, an Indian lifestyle website for men. In 2017, she became the first Indian television actress to appear in the Forbes Celebrity 100 list, a list based on the income and popularity of Indian celebrities, ranking 96. For the next 2 years, she was ranked 94 and 79 respectively. In 2017, for her performance as Ishita, the Indian Express placed her at her second position in its top 10 television actresses list. In 2018, Times ranked her third in the top 10 popular actresses in television. In 2017, Tripti posted some emotional tweets condemning the rape of a 12-year-old girl in Chandigarh on Independence Day, some of which addressed to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, urging him to take strict action against the rapist. In the same year, Tripti was trolled for her character Haryanvi from the serial Ye Hai Mohabbatein. She was called pathetic and disgusting for using dark brown makeup for this role. About this, Tripti replied to the troll by saying, "If I choose to be dark, how it's pathetic? Do you find it pathetic? You guys don't even think before bashing. Which Indian actor will voluntarily choose to look dark on screen? It's not usual. Knowing me first before judging. I am doing that makeup myself every day, so please watch the track, understand and respect instead of writing baseless provocative comments." In 2020, Tripti won the title of International Iconic Most Popular Face of Indian Television 2020. Tripti honored with the Champions of Change in 2021. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मजीद वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलें। दुआओं में हमें याद रखें। आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।